Time travel, the hypothetical ability to move between different points in time, has captured human imagination for centuries. Defined in its simplest form, time travel envisions a journey across the temporal dimension, either forward to the future or backward to the past, akin to how we travel through space. This concept, while often relegated to the realms of science fiction, raises profound questions about the nature of time, reality, and our universe. The importance of introducing time travel within the broader discussion of its factual existence versus fictional portrayal sets the foundation for exploring the intrigues and conspiracies surrounding it. Time travel serves as a critical entry point, framing subsequent debates about its theoretical underpinnings and the alleged evidence supporting its occurrence. Discussing its feasibility and implications helps audiences navigate the thin line between scientific possibility and imaginative storytelling. Real-world applications of time travel, though currently theoretical, are explored through scientific theories and cultural narratives. For instance, Einstein's theory of relativity suggests that time dilation could make time travel possible, at least at a subatomic level, where moving close to the speed of light allows time to pass differently for the traveler compared to those on Earth. Furthermore, the concept of wormholes, proposed as shortcuts through space-time, fuels discussions about potential time travel pathways, although practical execution remains beyond our current technological reach. Many scientists and thinkers have entertained the possibility of time travel. Stephen Hawking speculated about the nature of closed, time-like curves and their implications for time travel without necessarily endorsing its feasibility. These intellectual pursuits underscore humanity's fascination with exploring the unknown, even as they invite skepticism and debate. The notion of time travel is not without controversy or dissenting opinions. Critics argue that paradoxes, such as the infamous grandfather paradox, challenge the logical consistency of traveling back in time. Furthermore, ethical concerns about altering historical events pose a dilemma for those entertaining the idea of time manipulation. The introduction to time travel sets the stage for exploring conspiracy theories by providing essential context. Understanding the scientific and philosophical discourse around time travel influences our perception of the myths and legends that have grown around it. By delineating the boundaries between fact and fiction, we gain a clearer perspective on why time travel continues to captivate and mystify. Time travel, a tantalizing idea that has captured the human imagination for centuries, is often caught in the crosshairs between fact and fiction. At its core, time travel refers to the theoretical concept of moving between different points in time, much like traveling from one place to another in space. Within the context of the enigma of time travel, fact or fiction, discover conspiracy theories. Surrounding it, this concept becomes crucial. It challenges the boundaries of scientific understanding while captivating conspiracy theorists who speculate on its hidden realities. The significance of time travel lies in its potential to revolutionize our understanding of the universe and history. Hypothetically, mastering time travel could allow humanity to alter the past, witness historical events firsthand, or glean insights into future developments, thus reshaping our collective existence. Such possibilities fuel endless speculation and numerous conspiracy theories, often suggesting that governments or secret organizations have already unlocked the secrets of time travel but are concealing them from the public. Real-world examples that highlight the perennial allure of time travel include the famous Philadelphia experiment and the Montauk Project. The former allegedly involved a U.S. Navy destroyer in 1943 that became invisible and supposedly traveled through time, though the story is widely considered a hoax. The latter, equally controversial, revolves around claims of government experiments at Montauk Air Force Station in the 1980s aimed at developing psychological warfare techniques, which supposedly involved time travel. Supporters of the possibility of time travel often cite theories from theoretical physics, particularly Einstein's theory of relativity, which suggests wormholes could serve as time portals. However, this idea remains speculative and unproven. Critics argue that time travel violates fundamental physical principles, like causality, leading to paradoxes such as the grandfather paradox, where a time traveler could potentially prevent their own existence. The concept of time travel inevitably connects to broader discussions within the main topic, such as the limits of human knowledge, the ethical implications of altering time, and the sheer audacity of conspiracy theories that blend science with fiction. These connections underscore the complexities in separating credible science from speculative stories that captivate and deceive in equal measure. Ultimately, the intrigue of time travel propels ongoing debates about its feasibility and the profound implications should it ever become reality, ensuring that the line between fact and fiction remains both blurred and endlessly intriguing. Time travel, a concept often depicted as moving between different points in time, has captured the human imagination for centuries. Defined broadly, it involves traveling to the past or future, bypassing the natural sequence of events as we perceive them. This idea has been explored in literature, science fiction, and theoretical physics, often blurring the line between fact and fiction and raising profound questions about the nature of time and our place within it. The historical background and cultural fascination with time travel is a critical aspect of the topic, as it underscores humanity's deep-seated curiosity and philosophical inquiries about time. On one hand, time travel serves as a powerful narrative device that allows exploration of what-if scenarios, prompting reflection on historical events and their impact. On the other, it influences scientific thought, compelling physicists to develop theories that challenge conventional understandings of time and space. A renowned example is H.G. Wells' The Time Machine, a seminal work that not only popularized the concept but also sparked dialogue about its ethical and philosophical implications. Through the novel, Wells invites readers to consider the possibilities and perils of altering history or glimpsing the future. Another significant example is the theory of wormholes, which stems from Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity. Although theoretical, the idea of wormholes suggests that shortcuts through space-time could permit time travel, captivating scientists and fueling endless speculation. Many physicists and theorists, like Stephen Hawking, have expressed skepticism about the feasibility of time travel. Hawking's chronology protection conjecture argues that the laws of physics conspiring to prevent time travel. This is contrasted by Nick Bostrom, a philosopher who suggests that the lack of evidence of time travelers could imply self-consistent time loop theories or that time travel is simply not permitted. Controversies and challenges abound, as time travel complicates notions of causality and raises paradoxes, such as the well-known grandfather paradox, where altering past events could prevent the time traveler's existence. Moreover, ethical considerations question the impact on personal and collective history. This concept intricately ties into conspiracy theories surrounding time travel, as the fascination and skepticism it generates continue to fuel speculation and imaginative storytelling. Exploring it sheds light on human nature's relentless pursuit of possibility, making time travel a perpetual enigma that straddles the realms of science, fiction, philosophy, and conspiracy. Time travel, a concept that has fascinated humanity for decades, suggests the ability to move between different points in time, much like we navigate through space. At its core, time travel poses the tantalizing question of whether we can journey into the past or future. This idea is central to the theme of the enigma of time travel, fact or fiction, and serves as the foundation upon which numerous conspiracy theories are built. The intrigue of time travel lies in its potential to alter historical events, provide insights into future occurrences, or even reveal hidden truths about the universe. The significance of this concept in relation to the primary topic is profound. It fuels our imaginations and challenges our understanding of reality and physics. Time travel theories often intersect with quantum physics and general relativity, particularly with theories like Einstein's, which suggest that time is relative and can be manipulated under certain conditions. This theoretical basis allows conspiracy theories to flourish, as advocates suggest governmental or clandestine organizations may have already achieved time travel and conceal it. Two notable examples illustrate this point. First, the legend of the Philadelphia experiment, an alleged naval military experiment that supposedly rendered the USS Eldridge invisible in 1943, with rumors suggesting the ship accidentally traveled through time. Another is the story of John Titor, a purported time traveler from the year 2036, who appeared in online forums in the early 2000s, making predictions and discussing advanced technology. Supporters of time travel feasibility argue that recent scientific advancements, such as the discovery of wormholes or the study of space-time manipulation, lend credence to its possibility. However, there are significant challenges and controversies. Critics argue that time travel violates the known laws of physics, particularly causality, leading to paradoxes like the grandfather paradox, where altering past events could prevent the traveler's existence. This concept of time travel interlinks with other aspects of the main topic by serving as both a catalyst for speculative fiction and intellectual debate. It resonates with humanity's desire to explore the unknown, pushing the boundaries of science and sparking ethical discussions about the implications of altering history or knowing the future. As we delve into these conspiracy theories, we not only question what is fact or fiction, but also confront profound philosophical and scientific inquiries about our universe and our place within it.